I want to take a shower, but it's nighttime and the shower slots in the window, like I can't figure out how to close them, and the goats are over there. I don't want them to stare at my naked butt through their goat teepee. Today we drove from Orlando to Atlanta. We are celebrating Jeremy's birthday this weekend with some of our friends. We normally stay with them, but we thought we'd stay on the other side of town for once and check out what this side of town has to offer.
So tonight we're going to be staying in this 1967 Avion camper.
That's right. Our Airbnb host and her husband redecorated this, completely renovated in a beach theme, which is pretty fun considering it's in the heart of Atlanta. Let's go inside and check it out. It even comes with its own Carly. She looks small, but she's a bed hog. I don't know how 3 of us are gonna fit in that tonight. The answer is we aren't. Some pans and a fire extinguisher. It's important to know where those are. It even has a tiny little fridge. You gotta check the fridge. Does it have anything special in it? Let's find out. Ketchup and butter. They left us some farm fresh eggs, so we're all good. Looks like there's also a French press, which makes me think there might be coffee somewhere. They have actually left us with quite the amenities. I thought that the fridge was sad because it just had ketchup and butter, but they've got all kinds of bread. They got coffee, tea, popcorn. Ooh! Look at this mirror. This is gonna be perfect for me to do my makeup in the morning. I wanna install one of these in our house so it's outside of our bathroom. Little tiny toilet. Yeah, it's decent. It's a little shower. Uh-oh. There's no privacy. The goats are gonna see us. There's an AC for if it gets too warm in here. There's a nice little double, like twin bed double bunk. Let's face it, with that other bed, I might be sleeping in that one tonight. All right, let's test the bed. Which one should I test? This one up here? Oh, that's not gonna do. That's not a thing, that's not a thing. I'll test this one. Actually, that's pretty nice. A little firm. A little cushy, nice little cubby. I like it. It's like my own little capsule hotel. For being a vintage camper, it's not too short for you. You could actually stand up.
I'm fine. I'm real close to the ceiling, but I'm okay.
If you can stand in a camper.
You can stand camping? I don't know.
You could stand living in one.
Oh.
What do you think? Could you live here?
I don't know, maybe.
I'm always trying to convince Jeremy that we should just get an RV or a tiny home of some kind and just live in that, and he's like, but I want my space. See, look, you can have your area over there, I'll have my area over here. Perfect. We each got our office, we each got our beds, and Carly can have the bunk bed. I don't know. I think it's pretty roomy in here. I could live here. What do you guys think? Could you live in a tiny camper? I think I could do it. The inside is not even the best part. This place is packed full of cool amenities, like goat friends. That's right. Just on the other side of our camper, our goat friends. Wherever the goats go, the duck follows. I think that the duck thinks he's a goat.
His name is Charlie.
Oh, Charlie. Oh, they all have name tags. I like that the like a goat thing is to like have things they can stand on. They like to like proudly proclaim that they're standing on something.
Yeah, they like to climb stuff.
Do you see that?
That sweet tree house over there.
Yeah, that sweet tree house. That sweet tree house even has a zip line. So if you're feeling adventurous, you can climb up that tree house and zip line over to our camper.
Not feeling that adventurous.
Okay, okay. Well, maybe you're that adventurous and you can come here and you can zip line to your camper. Cute little patio to sit out on. Unfortunately, it keeps raining, so probably not gonna happen for us today, but I do like the undercover area. That's a nice place to chill out for a while. Got some nice barbecues and cool little hangout spot. If you're feeling even more adventurous, you could stay in one of the teepees or the smaller camper that they have. I am pooped and I am ready for bed. We have some exciting things planned this weekend. This is actually our second annual trip to Atlanta for Jeremy's birthday. I'm sure we'll spend plenty of time with our friends, but we actually want to check out Atlanta and hang out and see what the city has to offer. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much to our patrons. We love you guys. Thank you for supporting our channel. If you're new here, hit that button and check out that video right there if you haven't seen it yet. Jeremy doesn't care if they stare at his naked butt through the goat teepee.